We are officially like 3 days away from Fiji, so I thought I would start vlogging again. Today we are going to the markets.
No more.
Wood-fired hot sauces, guys.
Hot chipotle chili barbecue is probably the best. Tasty. That one is.
You guys want to try the hottest one? It's the mega hot chili there.
Mega hot chili, okay.
I like the original and medium.
Loki, the hot chipotle chili is probably spicy.
I like the medium one.
That's not the hottest.
We just got back from the markets. To be honest, there wasn't a whole lot there. Like, all the stalls were kind of the same, but I did buy this cute dress, which I think will be perfect for Fiji. I bought this custom charm bracelet. Hi guys, so we just had to get petrol and now I'm waiting for my coffee to be ready. In the car we've got Monroe. Say hi to the camera. Wrong way.
Hi.
So this is the cool kids car. Only the cool kids are in this car.
So
How
cool
was your experience in Waihee?
It was very good. Very good. Yeah, my hand's so big.
Yeah, I can't even see it in my reversing rearview mirror because Monroe's hair is so big, but it's okay.
It is okay. It was never not okay.
Yeah, it's okay. That's natural. I never needed to see in my reversing mirror anyways. It's fine. I just got my coffee. Monroe's gonna show you his bag of chips. Look how freaking huge it is. It's humongous. But the chips slap, they're so good. How was your ride home?
It was good. We had a pro driver, you know.
Poor driver?
Pro driver.
Oh, pro driver. It's so good to be back at home. We're gonna have fish and chips for dinner. Lovely. I am in the process of packing at the moment. I have my watermelon here. This bag's pretty much full. And then I still got this one, my carry-on luggage. Why did nobody warn me of the struggles of packing? Guys, I can't believe that today is literally the day. For those who don't know, this is my first time on an aeroplane and my first time leaving the country. So there are many firsts happening today and I am kind of scared. I keep saying that today is the day, but technically it's tomorrow. My flight is at 6 in the morning, but check-in closes at 4. And we have to leave here at 1. So I'm probably not going to sleep for the next couple of days.
What's good, vlog? Caitlin asked me to do my POV of what I'm doing until we get to the airport. So at the moment, I'm just having dinner, chicken curry on rice. So, you know, yum yum yum. So yeah, show you what I'm eating right now. Yes, sir. And for my drink, bought this bad boy. I actually soda streamed it. Mirinda, ice cubes, and yeah. Okay, I'll teleport you guys to me showing you my bag. I'll show you guys later what's in my bag, but at the moment, we're leaving home. And mom and dad are gonna drop me off to Caitlin's house. So I got my bags, we're going. And the other one's 19.
Head down. Should I part your hair first?
Circle thingy. Oh.
When does he actually sound like a bee? That's good. Did you try it on with his hair tied up? You like zoomed down, your eyes went like
What I wanted it to look like, thank you.
put some. Okay, me and Manu are going to have a quick nap right now, but we're going to start a new vlog for when we leave for the airport. So that's the end of this video. Say goodbye. Say goodbye.
Bye.
We'll see you in the next vlog.